This is not a magic trick. This is a small science experiment. Grind a glass a few times. Hit the beer bottle. The beer will come out. This is the principle of the atomic bomb explosion. The words written on the paper with cotton swabs dipped in the juice of oranges, only after heating to show up. This is the secret of the wordless book. Do not throw the gum after eating. Pinch it into a cone shape when the gum is not paying attention to use the coconut to hit it. Surprisingly, the coconut was pierced. This is the power of non-Newtonian fluids. A ruler can easily be knocked down by a heavy object. Put a piece of A4 paper on the ruler, but the ruler can no longer be knocked down. This is the power of atmospheric pressure. Tape a balloon filled with water. Pierce it. The water flows as if it is fixed. This is the phenomenon of laminar flow. Circle the coin with 6 batteries with a simple wave of the hand, and the coin spins. Add baking soda to the bottle. Pour in the right amount of white vinegar. This invisible gas doused the burning flames. This is the principle of fire extinguisher. Crush the match head into powder with pliers. Pour it into the locked lock hole. Insert a match. Ignite the match head. Wait for the match to burn to the lock hole. Forget the key to the lock will be opened.